Welcome to UGC NTA NET revision course series. The topic is Aristotle. Prior to this, the most important questions on Plato was given. If you didn't watch that video, once you watch that video and subscribe the channel for further updates. In this series, either 1 mark questions or MCQ will be given on each topic. Through these 1 mark questions or MCQs, you can do the revision in well manner and you can check out the preparation for upcoming UGC NET exam. Let us start with Aristotle topic. The first question is, Aristotle is considered the father of what? The options are modern biology, modern physics, modern chemistry, modern anatomy. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is modern biology. Next question is, who was the famous disciple of Aristotle? Socrates, Alexander the Great, Ptolemy, Plato. Once you do this question on your own and check out your revision. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Alexander the Great. The next question is, what was the name of the school established by Aristotle? The options are Lyceum, Academy, Gymnasium and Alcemium. The correct answer is Lyceum. Now check your preparation with next question. Which of the following was not a form of soul in Aristotle's work on the soul? The options are rational, subconscious, animal and vegetative. Which is the correct one? B option is the correct answer, subconscious. Subconscious is not the soul according to Aristotle. Next question is, which is not the four causes according to Aristotle? The options are motivation, then final causes, then material causes and efficient causes. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is motivation. Motivation is not any cause according to Aristotle. The four causes of Aristotle are material causes, formal causes, efficient causes and final causes. The next question is, how Nicomachus related to Aristotle? The options are son, father and son, brother, father. Who was he? How he was related to Aristotle? The correct option is B. Father and son. Aristotle's fathers and sons. Both name was Nicomachus. Let us see the next question. Who did look after Aristotle after his parents' death? The options are Nicomachus, Hermes, Proxenus, Xenocrates. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C option, Proxenus. Now the question is, what were members of Aristotle Lyceum known as? The options are rationalists, skeptics, cynics, then peripatetics. The correct answer is peripatetics. The students of Lyceum of Aristotle were known as peripatetics. The next question is, which of the following is not one of the 6 elements of the tragedy according to Aristotle? The options are A option, character, B option, plot, C option, reversal, then D option, spectacle. What is the correct answer? Do it once. The correct option is C. Reversal. According to him, reversal is not any element of tragedy. According to Aristotle, the 6 elements of tragedy are plot, characters, verbal expression, thought, visual adornment, and song composition, out of which plot is the most important. The given next question is, which of Aristotle's early works was inspired by the death of a friend? The given options are A option, Eudemus, B option, Physics, C option, Protapticus, then D option, Philosophy. What is the correct answer? Try to do it. The correct answer is Eudemus. Now check out your preparation with the next question. In the pursuit of happiness, what is the highest form of pleasure for a human being according to Aristotle? The options are love, philanthropy, contemplation, companionship. The correct answer is the C option, contemplation. The next question is, how does one acquire virtue according to Aristotle? The options are, it is innate, by habit, by grace, by accident. What is the correct answer? Do it fast. By habit. By habit, anyone can acquire virtue according to Aristotle. Let us do the revision with next question. What was Aristotle's attitude towards slavery? He disapproved politely. He disapproved reluctantly. He considered it to be against nature. He considered it to be natural. What was his attitude towards slavery? The correct answer is he considered it to be natural. According to him, slavery was the natural thing. The next question is, where did Aristotle perform his early biology research? In Athens, Assos, Mytilene, Stagira. Mytilene is the correct answer. According to Aristotle's On the Soul, who possess the rational soul? Plants, animal, human, material. Human. According to Aristotle, human possess the rational soul. What is memory according to Aristotle? A mental picture that can be recovered, rote learning, planning for future, past incident. The correct answer is a mental picture that can be recovered. The next question is, the speaker does not use which of the following appeal to persuade his audience? The options are ethos, an appeal to the speaker's character; pathos, an appeal to the audience emotion; logos, an appeal to logical reasoning; mosos, an appeal to old treatment. Mosos, an appeal to old treatment, is not used by a speaker to persuade his audience. Who said the things that lead to happiness need to be in women as well as men? Options are Aristotle, Plato, Hegel, Marx. The correct answer is Aristotle. Who is not the Aristotle's notable students? Aristogenes, Harpalus, Dicaearchus, Plato. The answer is Plato. Which is not the three purposes of dialectics according to Aristotle? The options are for training, for meditation, for conversational exchange, for sciences of a philosophical sort. The B option for meditation is the correct answer. In which subject Aristotle did the least work? Biology, logic, mathematics, psychology. Aristotle did the least work in mathematics. In the view of Aristotle, metaphysics is referred as natural philosophy, first philosophy, epistemology, teleology. The correct answer is natural philosophy. In which book Aristotle did research in zoology and marine biology? The options are The History of Animals, The Animal Kingdom, The Dawn of Zoology, The Nature of Animal Light. The History of Animals. In this book, Aristotle did the research on zoology and marine biology. Psychology is the study of what element as per Aristotle? The soul, the brain, the heart, the body. The soul. How many kinds of substances are there according to Aristotle? 1, 2, 3 or 4? 3 substances are there according to Aristotle. As per book 12 of the Metaphysics, there are 3 substances. They are matter, form, composite of form and matter. How does Aristotle define the term dicton? Character, plot, rhythmic language, diction. The correct answer is rhythmic language. What is the nested hierarchy of the soul's function? The options are reproduction, thought and knowledge. Then B option, production, perception and thought. C is potentiality, perception and thought. D option is potentiality, perception and knowledge. The correct answer is B option, reproduction, perception and thought.